Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Marianne. Welcome back again. So guys, on this channel it's all about how to make money online, teams and tutorials and website reviews. So guys, if you're new here, welcome back, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, it has been a long time since I recorded a video, so I'm back with a banger. So make sure if you have any question, type them in the comments, because I'm going to show you so many things. I'll be concentrating so much about AI automation. I'll also be giving you about YouTube growth, so make sure to watch. Also, another thing, I'll be giving you some websites for you to earn money online, and also I'll be giving you reviews of the website that I have worked on or the website I have applied. I'll be giving you the pros and cons of some of these websites. I'll also be recommending some websites for you to create your CV and cover letters. So make sure you watch my next videos. So this year it's about new resolution, and hope to see you. Bye.